understanding the phrase, rainy day. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the interesting English phrase, rainy day. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its literal meaning but also its idiomatic use. Let's get started. When we hear the words, rainy day, the first image that often comes to mind is a day filled with rain, cloudy skies, and maybe even a few puddles here and there. In its literal sense, a rainy day simply refers to a day when it rains. Example, I can't play outside today because it's a rainy day. But English, like many languages, has its quirks. The phrase, rainy day, also has an idiomatic meaning. When used as an idiom, saving for a rainy day means to save something, usually money, for a time when it might be needed unexpectedly. It suggests the idea that we should be prepared for hard times or emergencies. Examples, Sarah always sets aside some money, saving for a rainy day. It's wise to have some savings. You never know when you'll need it on a rainy day. Now that you know both the literal and idiomatic meanings, how can you use rainy day in your conversations? Here are some examples to get you started. 1. It looks like a rainy day tomorrow. We might need to cancel our picnic. 2. I've bought this book to read on a rainy day when I can't go out. 3. Always have some money tucked away for a rainy day. It's a good financial habit. We hope you've enjoyed our exploration of the phrase, rainy day. Remember, English is filled with such interesting phrases, so always be curious and continue learning. Until next time, keep those umbrellas ready for a literal rainy day and always be prepared for the metaphorical ones. Happy learning!